Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of fleet maintenance. Without further ado, let's get right into the video and get this thing started. First order of business is this new red Rovan that we put the 45cc motor in. If you didn't get to watch that video, go ahead and click up now and take a look, because it's a pretty fun video. We got to do some ripping in the snow and stuff. But if you notice, the pull start hits the body, and I can't actually put the pin in the body in the back. So I had to remove the bottom so I could fit it on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out a little bit and make it fit. So, and we're going to do some cleanup on this sucker because it's really dirty from the park. It got nasty. So let's get right into that. Let's do it. Let's get at it. Okay, so I don't have a hot knife, so that was the closest I could get, but I think it turned out pretty good. So now let's test it out and see if it works. I think it fits pretty good. What about you? Might trim a little bit off there, but otherwise I think it looks great. So now we're gonna just clean this sucker up a little bit. In 1, 2, 3. Man, that looks way better. It's not perfect, but it'll have to do. I hosed it off with the water hose. I cleaned it with cleaner, and I tried to scrub the tires. There's so much mud and dirt. So until I get a warmer day, that won't happen again. But at least on this one, we still have some more to do, so let's get on to the next one. Okay, next one we're gonna work on is Jimmy's black Rovan. This thing is a mess. What the heck did you do to this thing, Jimmy? It is destroyed. I mean, I'm gonna have to take the water hose for like an hour to this thing, but we got some things we have to do to this. What we're going to do to this is, first, we're gonna clean this ugly thing up. I mean, it's not ugly, but right now it is because of all the dirt and mud. So we got to clean this bad boy up, and then we got to fix that boot down there, because as you can see, it is not where it's supposed to be, and it is all tore up. So at minimum, we're going to put it back in place. I don't think we have another boot, so we're going to put it back in place at least so it keeps everything dry, and you don't want to get dirt down in there. So that's the first thing we're going to do. Then we are going to swap out this stock exhaust with my GTB Racing exhaust that we tried to use on my red Rovan, but once we put the 45cc motor on it, it did not work. So we're going to do that next. But honestly, the first thing we have to do is just clean this thing up. It is a mess. So without further ado, that's going to be done now. Whoa! Look at that! It's a new body. Or is it a new car? No, it's just a new body. So I went ahead and cleaned this up, and I threw on a new body. What do you think about the body? I don't think the video does it justice. It's a little darker in real life. But I got this from my red Rovan, but it didn't work with the wheels. So we threw it on here just to take a look. What do you think about it? If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And also, when it comes to cleaning your fleet, what do? What do you use? We'd like to know. We'd like to hear from you. So throw down in the comments, how do you clean your fleet? How often do you clean your fleet? What products do you use? We want to know, because, you know, this is really the first time that we've done a deep clean. Well, not even really a deep clean, just clean them off a lot. So throw us some comments down below and let us know how you do it. But honestly, I kind of like it. I think it looks pretty cool. I don't know. That's just me. Now, I've already went ahead and fixed the boot. It was really easy. You can kind of see it down in there. I just took a little flathead screwdriver and pushed it back in there where it's supposed to be. And then once we get a new boot, we'll fix it right. That's all we have for now. Now it's time to replace this ugly stock exhaust. So let's get to that. We got everything fixed up in this one. We got it cleaned up a little bit. We got the axle boot on, and we got the new exhaust. This thing is going to sound way better than that stock exhaust. Just something I want to throw out there. Jimmy, if you run over poop again, which I totally forgot about until this clip, back in the shop, and I really do think Jimmy ran over some poop this time. So he's going to get down, he's going to smell it.
I'm going to smell it. All right, let's get down here. I think I hit the poop hole.
You think you hit the poop hole?
I think I hit it. Oh, it hit my nose. Oh, that's Pitbull. I think that's Pitbull.
Pitbull poop?
I think that's Pitbull.
You're cleaning it off next time. That was nasty. Anyway, let's get to the next one. The final thing we're going to work on today and clean up and fix, and it's just something small, is the Kraken. This thing is probably, I have to say, it's probably my favorite. I love the look of the Baja and how fun they are. But man, this thing, it's a tank. It jumps, I flipped it multiple times, and it's just so much fun. So this is probably my favorite. Let me know what you think. Do you like this one, or do you like the Bajas better? I mean, I know it's opinionated, but I like them both. It's hard to choose, but this thing is so much fun. Anyway, let's clean this thing up. And then I'll tell you what we're going to do. Okay, we got her all cleaned up. It's looking a lot better. This thing is way easier to clean than the Bajas. It's wide open compared to like little nooks and crannies with the Baja. But what we're going to fix is, see the linkages on the back? See how the drive shaft is cocked to one side? Well, when I replaced these linkages in the back, these suspension linkages, the one on the left here is, see how it's farther out than the other? I forgot to change that. I didn't make it even whenever I put it on there, so it's pulling on one side. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this one bolt off. I'm going to screw it in a little bit, put it back on, and then see how it lines up. But let's get to it. So that'll be pretty much the fleet maintenance we're going to do for the day. But let's get this done, and then I got one more thing to tell you guys. All right, we got it all done. We got everything lined up exactly the same on both sides. So now it's exact. Now the only thing that I will say is it will cock to one side a little bit, because if you looked, the motor is mounted to the left a little bit, well, as far as the transmission goes. So that's going to be on the left side and come to the right just a little bit to the middle. So this is perfect. It's lined up great. Now we should be good for the Kraken. So I'm going to put it back together. Okay, so as far as fleet maintenance goes, that's going to be it. Now, we had some more things to do, but we ran out of time. So that may be a separate video. But I need you to let me know, do you like these types of videos? If you do, you have to hit that thumbs up button. You have to hit that like, or tell us in the comments below so that way we know to do more videos like this. I know it's not running and exciting, but it has to be done. Things have to be fixed. You can see what we go through, and I'm sure you guys have the same problems and things you need to fix. So let us know down in the comments or by a thumbs up whether you like this video or not and you want to see more of it. Now that's going to do it for today's video. So I want to thank you for joining us, and participating in this video, because we love to hear from you guys. We love your comments. We love your likes. We love your subscriptions. We like everything. So we just say thank you to the family. And with that said, we have the 1K video coming up. We have not forgotten. We're still working on it. We want it to be great. So that's why it's taking a little longer, but you will love it. Guarantee you will love it. So stay tuned for that. And with that said, that's it. God bless you. God bless America. Be empowered. Out.